Okay, so I wasn't going to make a video today. I was gonna go out and fly the drone, but it's Florida and it's raining. So this is a master lock. I forget the exact model. I took the plastic case off the outside of it, and this is a fun lock. I do this lock before I start the other locks because it's fun, and I'm having trouble with 3 of the ones I'm working on now. So just to keep, I guess, low on frustration while I'm learning or do whatever, I mess with this lock, then I go into the harder ones. So I'm just going to record the little practice thing with the different rakes and whatnot, and then when I work on these other locks, I'll make another video. Single pin. One of the sparrow rakes from the tuxedo. Covert instruments. Covert instruments. Weird. There we go. This is a sparrow worm rake. I've actually never used this one. There we go. And then the city rake. I've actually never used this one either.